Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to create a fly-through timeline animation in DaVinci Resolve using the camera 3D. So first in the edit page we have to go to the effects and search for fusion composition and now drag down to your timeline. I have already selected it and now go to the fusion page. Now you have need the screenshot of your timeline. I have already imported it. Now we have to remove the black background, so select a HSL gear node and open in the inspector page. Now make sure peak option is selected. Now click on the black area and now you can see your background is removed. Now add a soft glow node and adjust this gain like 1.26 and adjust the glow size according how you like to see. Okay, now we have to need a image planer 3D node to create this 2D image work for 3D camera. Now add a merge 3D and we have to add a camera 3D also and add a render 3D to run this. Now connect the camera 3D output to the merge 3D and merge 3D output to the render 3D. Now connect the image plane 3D output to the merge 3D. Now select the render 3D viewing display to the right side by selecting 2 and merge 3D display to 1 to the left window. Now you can see the camera and the image. You can see nothing here in the render screen cause our camera is viewing through the image. So you have to transform our image plane and select the image plane 3D, go to the inspector. Now adjust the Y rotation to -90 so our image will lay down flat on the surface. Now adjust the Y rotation to 90 so that our image will be horizontally aligned under the camera. So now we can easily animate our animation using the camera. So now go to the camera 3D and adjust the angle of view to like 130. Adjust the focal length to 2.5 something. Now go to transform and increase the Y value to see the image. Image is too small here, so we have go to the image plane 3D and scale the image. Now go to camera 3D and increase the height of the camera like this from the camera 3D window, or you can simply change the transform Y value like this here. Now make sure your playhead at the starting frame and adjust the camera where you want to start the animation. Now move your playhead at the ending point and make a keyframe for the end position of your camera. So here is the simple flyover through your timeline. Now at few frames ahead we have to change the rotation of Z like this. So at the starting frame add a Z rotation value of 0, add a keyframe. At 55 add a Z rotation value 90 degree and add a keyframe. Now at 100 add a keyframe for Z rotation, add 0. Okay, I forgot at the starting keyframe. So starting keyframe will be 0. Okay. Now here is a cool camera rotation animation in the frames. Okay, now here we want the Y rotation like this. Okay. So move your playhead to the starting frame and add a keyframe for Y rotation at 0. Now at few frames later 25 frame, add set a keyframe for also 0, and at 70 frame adjust the Y rotation value to like 80 and add set a keyframe there. Now at the ending add a keyframe for Y rotation at 0. So here is a cool camera rotation while moving the camera. Okay, now we have to smooth the animations. So go to the spline and select all the keyframes. Now tap on fit to screen and press Ctrl plus A. Now press S. Now here is the smooth and cool animation of your timeline with beautiful camera rotation. Okay, now we have to add a background for this. Just make sure your background has the background point of the merge and render 3D should be at the foreground of merge. Now you can see the beautiful animation with black background. Now here we adjust the soft glow, like I am decreasing the glow size, not too much, like I have to say 1.0. Okay, this is good for me. Okay, now play it. Oh, so beautiful animation. So if you learned anything from this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and see you soon.